you in the media?
Yeah, from Dudashan. Dudashan.
Okay, I have sent.
This is the day that the Lord has made with the Synod College, Shillong. Dr. Adelbert Nongrum, Professor, Department of English, kindly felicitate the chief guest.
We have Dr. Kyrdan.
From education UG, comfort long facility for the Damika, Mary, Synod College.
That is what we do when we are in the place.
At the same time,
Dr. Emrani.
To thank
Green C.
as we need to turn back, just reflect back what thing has done. Sometimes we may feel that we have done so much, but on looking ahead, we know that still many more to accomplish, which I feel the pioneers, we should remember them because they are the one who make us today as we are. Their education, values, their characters, their integrity, their compassion, the discipline and the willingness to serve humanity. When we talk about foundation in Khasi means Nongrim. So therefore, we need to have the foundation so as to help our day-to-day life in all aspects to see the progress of our responsibility.